Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and opening doors to system options. First, make sure your device runs Android 10 or newer, or a ROM that supports system themes. Next, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times. This unlocks experimental flags you'll use. Once done, connect to power if battery is low and backup key settings because system flags can change behavior. Now, move to Settings and Developer Options. You're ready for the first dark mode toggles and developer overrides. You'll now enable System Dark and apply Force Overrides. Go to Settings, Display, and Toggle Dark Theme. This flips core UI elements. Then open Developer Options and enable the Force Dark or Override Force Dark flag to coerce apps into dark where native support is absent. If an app still resists, use a DB. Connect your phone, run a DB shell settings, put Secure UI Night Mode 2 to set night mode, or use app-specific UI flags for granular control. Make sure to test apps after each change so you can track. You'll finish by refining appearance and knowing how to recover if something breaks. Adjust per app theme settings, use a dark-capable launcher and matching icon pack to make the experience cohesive, and tweak accent colors as needed. If a change misbehaves, disable the developer flags you set and run a DB shell settings, put Secure UI Night Mode 0 to revert to light, then reboot. If a single app misrenders, clear its cache or uninstall overlays. One key tip: always test after each step so problems are easy to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.